So far, what we've covered: how to do multiplication, how to do subtraction. Now I'm going to show you how to do division. We have 5 sessions, 8 Lucozades drunk each training session, and a total Lucozades. This is multiplication. We now want to find out how many crates are needed. There are 5 bottles in each crate. So we start every formula with an equal sign. We then click the first cell. We want to divide this by 5. This symbol here, you will find this on your PC on the keyboard, the right side. It looks like a mini calculator. You'll find it on the right side of your laptop also, next to possibly your power button, depending on the brand of your laptop. You'll find it also next to the shift button on the keyboard. So it's the backslash. This is the symbol when we're using Excel and coding as well for division. Just like the star is used for multiplication, the dash is take away, and the plus sign is simply the plus. So we want to divide obviously 40 by 5. We press enter, gives us our answer. We can type this out again, or we can on the bottom right click and drag down, and then just double check our answers. Yes by 5, yes by 5. Click here, yes by 5, and yes by 5. And that is division.